So I bought this weird looking green honey from a fruit stand on the side of the street. And normally I don't buy honey, but this intrigued me because I recently found out that I have problems breathing while I'm asleep. And the guy was upselling me on this, like, you take a quarter teaspoon of this, it'll open your sinuses right up. So I figured, what the heck, $15? What have I got to lose? You can smell it from really far away. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. It has this weird artificial smell to it though. And the labeling too is suspicious. Like, there's all these random numbers throughout it. It's like an I Spy game almost. There's a 3, a 9, a 6, and then what's with the random number 2 bisecting the word honey? Is this supposed to be a chemical formula? Is this pure hydrogen dioxide knee? Or maybe they forgot the parentheses around that backwards hydroxide group, so that would be pure ho-ho knee. Like they're trying to get around the fact that this isn't real. But it says real, unprocessed, natural. The only ingredient is honey. And it says grade A, whatever that means. And it's supposedly from a company called J&D Bees from Hemet, California, which is a local area. Other thing I thought was weird, it gives the net weight in fluid ounces, which isn't a weight measurement, it's a volume. And this whole label just really suspicious. Now the guy said just take a quarter teaspoon of it, but the serving size says 1 tablespoon. So if we're going to take its word for it, I think we need to try that. The other thing that's suspicious, and I did a little test on this, is that real honey crystallizes, but I left this stuff in the fridge for about a week and a half, and it's almost just as viscous as it was before I put it in. So I'm kind of convinced that this is just corn syrup with food coloring and eucalyptus oil in it. Look at this. The oil is separating from the rest of the mix. So if what I'm thinking is true, this might just be essential oil. Alright, there it is. 1 tablespoon of pure ho-ho knee. And look at how green this stuff is too. It reminded me of that green ketchup that was a thing back in the 2000s. But I'm thinking there's no way bees collecting eucalyptus nectar is going to end up this color. Because I've searched other eucalyptus honeys, they're not this artificially looking green. And furthermore, if the stuff smells like this, and eucalyptus oil is toxic, why would bees be going for it in the first place? But anyways, let's give it a shot. I gotta give it one thing though, it certainly does what it says it does, or what the guy claimed it does. It just instantly opens up your sinuses, and almost violently. But if we're gonna believe the labels, I'm supposed to eat the rest of this to get 1 serving. And it doesn't taste anything like honey. I can't do it. I'm not gonna do it. It's too strong, and it doesn't taste good. It doesn't taste appetizing at all. Like, I feel like it's clearing my sinuses so strongly that I feel it almost coming out of my eye sockets. It's that intense. So I don't think this is honey, and I might actually try to get a refund if that guy's still there. Or maybe I just need to call Herr Kommissar on him and shut him down! Shut him down! So, that's my opinion on the HO2 knee. Beware if you see this. Maybe keep the fraudulent honey hotline handy if there is one. And yeah, Greens and Machines signing off.